Okay, so let's start with the JIRA workflow. Okay, now these are the states: open, in progress, in review, in acceptance, done, also cancelled. When it is an open state, now when we create a query or create an issue, it goes into the backlog. Okay, that will be in the open state. Like if I show you the just preceding slide with some more information, as of now we can say these are the states. So these are the transitions and the states which move along in the life cycle and that can be presentable in the organization. Getting more into the detailed part of these each transactions or state, we can say with an example. Suppose I have created issue 1. Now issue 1, as I have created, it will be there present in my backlog state. So that is in my backlog state. Now it is open for anyone to pick. Okay, we had our sprint plannings, all the ceremony I have completed, estimations are done, story points are allotted, everything is completed. Now it is ready for the sprint to be taken up. So we can add this issues in the sprint. It is added, it is assigned. Post that, yes, now the development team can take up. It is being taken up by one of the dev team. So now it is in progress. Before that, it will not be in progress up till and unless it is taken up. It will not be in progress. Post that, the implementation is done. Then it will be sent to the review. Okay, it will be in review state when we are sending it to review to PO. So whatever detailing are there, it will be reviewed across. It can reject if at all it finds that some of the acceptance criteria or whatever the detailing, it is not matching, the description is not matching, or some or the other things which are impediments, it will be rejected by the PO or it will be rejected by the stakeholders. Now it has cleared its say and it has moved again in the in acceptance. So here it will be taking up all the acceptance criteria one by one, going through each and every acceptance criteria, and when it says go ahead with the acceptance criteria, it will be accepted and move ahead. Again, if there is a rejection with the PO, it will go in review again, in progress again, and it will be the reversed cycle. So this is how the life cycle flows till accepted till done. The reverse, it can go from cancelled, cancel, cancel to reopen. Okay, so this is how the life cycle of the JIRA is continued, and the entire cycle follows the this process. Okay, so this is the main say the heart of the JIRA. Okay. Now every say uh, workflow or every issue type is having some tips and tricks, some best practice for it to for a smooth transition. Okay, so the first trick is create workflow with the team. Admin can sit with the team or the admin can be approached to have a proper workflow with the team because they are the one who will be doing it. So we have to connect with them so that we have a proper workflow. Avoid lengthy and confusing status. We do not need 10-12 statuses. It should be only be less, and it should be little less lengthy and confusing, not much confusing. It should be to the point. Okay, may it should be 5 to 6 and so on. Okay, then we can say keep it simple, keep it very simple. It should not be edit, it should not be like more edits in the live workflows. It should not be like that. Less edits. Okay, no edits is more good, but it should be simple. Then we can say coming to the queries, you always we can have a autocomplete JQL. Like you likewise you can say, if we have the list at the bottom, we have the operators, we have the names, assignee, order, we are getting auto suggestions for. So initially we should always use those auto suggestions. Okay, then after the auto suggestions are there, we have a query ready. So first and foremost is the workflow that has to be defined with less status so that there will be no confusion. After that is done, work is allotted, team is started working. There are some queries, filters are used. So filters should be autocomplete, that we'll be using autocomplete filters. We have the filters, we have to save it so that we can share it with our teammates, we can share it with the other team, so that next time it will not be that issue, that query for us. We have it already, the query ready, so we can just use it as it is. Now the queries are ready. Now whenever there is a change made, we should always use watchers. So watcher works like I mentioned earlier. These are like we can add our team leads in this. So whenever there is any change in the issue format or issue, that particular issue, there will be an email notification instead of any comment or that. Of course, the comment will be added, but there will be email notification which will be provided to the team lead or whomsoever name is added in the watcher, so that it will be easy for tracking. Okay. Next, we can have the dashboards. Now when everything is ready, we can have the dashboard with multiple reports that we discussed in the earlier session. We can have those dashboards for quick analysis and for all of us to be in sync. We can track multiple issues, bugs and tasks using this JQL, and it will reduce our rework every now and then. Okay, so these are the few practice which we can do for a better improvement in our JIRA workflows and the other elements to have a smooth functioning and to be transparent, to have proper deliverables on timely basis. Thank you.